Let's talk about HP 22FW Ultra Thin Full HD 21.5-inch IPS monitor with VGA and HDMI ports. By HP. Get the crisp picture quality you crave with this ultra-slim, micro-edge display, featuring eye-catching aluminum design and immersive ultra-wide viewing angles. From browsing content to streaming entertainment, it allows you to see your world in a whole new way. Full HD display. Be prepared for brilliant visuals and crisp images with the unforgettable quality of this stunning FHD display. True-to-life color. When the color on your display are indistinguishable from real life, the result is a beautifully vivid picture. With Technicolor color certification, color accuracy is assured every time. Compact, sleek design. Slim design and single connection gives you more room for an enhanced computing experience. Virtually edge-to-edge panel. Expansive is the only way to describe the maximized screen area you get with the beautiful edge-to-edge glass panel. Anti-glare panel. Enjoy the sun and your favorite content with this anti-glare panel. Non-reflective and low gloss means you'll get less glare while you're outside. Easy connectivity. VGA and HDMI ports for you to connect with all portable drives in a flick of time. So, no need to get entangles by those extra cables every single day. Low blue light. Using the low blue light mode subtly shifts your display's colors to a warmer spectrum, while making whites more natural and putting less strain on your eyes. Packed with entertainment features. Experience the sharp, clear difference FHD resolution brings to all your content. And thanks to AMD FreeSync, PC gaming is free of blur and lag. Step up to the best. No matter where you stand, an HP IPS monitor delivers clear, vivid images. IPS technology ensures image accuracy and consistency across the ultra-wide viewing spectrum. For more detail and information like technical details, additional information, warranty and support, and review about HP 22FW Ultra Thin Full HD 21.5-inch IPS monitor with VGA and HDMI ports. By HP. Click on the link given in description.